Hello and welcome to our channel WoodTurning. Woodturning is the craft of using the wood lathe with the handheld tools to cut a shape that is symmetrical around the axis of rotation. Like the potter's wheel, the wood lathe is a simple mechanism which can generate a variety of forms. Is half-inch spindle gauge. The next gauge requirement is 5 by 8 inch bowl gauge. The other gauge requirement is 3 by 4 inch bowl gauge. Now, by looking at a wood material, it's obvious that we will need to remove all the unwanted upper layer wood part from the sample. First, we will cut the wood into half and then we will draw. Now we put a little LED light inside the hollowed parts so that we can have a proper look from within. Next, we give it a fine shape from inside and we apply wood shining coat on it from inside. Next, we mark the size for the upper part of the goblet using a pencil. Now we start with the thinning process where we reduce the wood to give it a thin shape. We have to perform this process very carefully because a little mistake can cause the damage to our sample. The other gauge requirement is 3 by 4 inch bowl gauge. Now, by looking at a wood material, it's obvious that we will need to remove all the unwanted upper layer wood part from the sample. First, we will cut the wood into half and then we will draw a circle on it to cut the required shape. Coring jig on our machine, we will start the hollowing process. Hollowing is the process in which we hollow out the wood from inside to give a proper shape from inside. Next, we put the tissue on the part of machine which hold the wood from inside so that the wood don't break from inside. Once the thinning process is done, we again apply the wood shining coat on our wood bowl to give a fine and shining look. As you can see in the video that our wood bowl are looking good, clean and shiny. I hope everyone had fun watching our today's video. please give a like to our video. For more new videos, subscribe our channel WoodTurning and press the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our new video.